urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Wyandotte County in northwestern Ohio, east central Hancock County in northwestern Ohio, southwestern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over New Regional, or 8 miles south of Astoria, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Upper Sandusky, Sycamore, Bamboo, New Regional and Cary. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Hancock, Seneca, and Wyandotte.
This